Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video guys, while I don't have adventures or no hiking, what I gonna do is I love to do cooking. So yeah, for this video today, um, I will do cooking. And right now, what I gonna start it is I will prepare first the recipes or the ingredient what I gonna do. So I gonna cook for my dinner tonight. So yeah, sorry about it that I not really uploaded more videos. It's not always really uploading video because lately I so really busy and lots thing to do. So it depends also to my mood if I will make some video because sometimes I get really lazy, not really focusing it to my YouTube channels now. So that's it. So yeah, see you. I'll back later to show you if after um, preparing my menus for tonight. So what I gonna do is um, Bicol Bicol Express is a I will use for a pork Bicol Express. So this is kind of Filipino food and it's very spicy. Eh, yeah, but mostly if I'm not really busy, I usually cook by I, I will cook. So and I will creating food and it's learning everything for cooking. So I'll back later guys. This is my some ingredients what I gonna use. That's coconut, grater coconut. It's nice to be used original coconut milk, not like sometimes I will use that on the can, but the taste is different. It's more good. You have you use original coconut milk. So this one I will use also bell pepper, onions, and garlic and meat for that. So and then I will use also a lots of chili pepper later because that is this kind of food the Bicol Express is you need a lot food of chili pepper that is really making spicy. And this is also the you call it like a shrimp, a small shrimp gathered. But we call this one in Philippines bagoong. Okay, so this it. So I'll be outside of my backyard. I love here because I by surrounding by on the farm. But sorry about my backgrounds. Lots of um for it's you can hear chicken or rooster sound because it's normally here in the Philippines. Now you can hear some roosters, dogs, or because usually I am the province and you usually I am in the yeah. So I got my hello Greggy. How are you today? Hmm? So all right, update you later guys what this going on. Good thing is I have my own chili plant, so I am free for that. And this is really fresh, and I will look if I see if there's a red one. Here, so I said, yeah, and I have to find more. because I really need this one a lot of chili. So maybe it's under. Here we go. Alright. This is all I got harvest. So I make it this one into small pieces. And for sure this is very really spicy later. So the good, guys, and good thing in the province is if you have your own plants or for like vegetable, it's a really big save. So yeah, and it's really fresh also. Then my ingredient is ready, so it's ready to cook. So this is a coconut milk and string beans, pork, then like my garlic, onions, and my chili. I put the bell pepper and chili I put together. And then, yeah, it's time to cook this one. And this uh, menu is all really simple. It's very simple, but it's so, if you get finish it, it's really love it. Usually, pre-Filipino from Bicol, this is like the delicacy, the Bicol Express. This is not only the one I make it every day. I will usually cooking sometimes also Western food. And yeah, if you wonder, I got a little bit cooking this time because I usually sometimes I'm alone. So then put first you put a little bit oil and let the oil first hot, and then after that you will get the garlic and onions. So this it. Mush my thing. If the oil is already hot, what I did is I will be salt first the garlic. Garlic first. First I shooting the onions, garlic, and ginger, and this meat, the pork meat first, and you just like 5 minutes if you can. You so this one until 5 minutes, but just be careful that the onions and garlic will be get carbon. I mean get ito. Alright, so wait a minute. So I put that once, and then I put that everything already, the peppers there, and I'm just waiting that will be boiling, and I will add that chilies or that string beans and add. And then in the final is I will show you everything because it's so hard that if you're cooking and you're holding your phone, because I cannot really put properly my phone. So wait, I'll check first. This is the color now, and what happened, and you have to always checking if the meat is ready. Yeah, it's become pinkish, and I put everything already, the chili pepper and all. I just waiting only to after I will waiting for the string bend to put. Yeah, I add already the string bend, And after this, I will waiting if the shrimp is finished, and then I will be the final one is I will put this coconut, creamy coconut oil. I mean coconut milk, not oil. It's the outcome of my Bicol Express and rice. This is good with the rice. So that's it. I hope you like it for my video for this night, and see you to my next video, and I will upload more cooking adventures.